Hey, welcome back, everybody. Welcome to Cooking with Chef Puff. It's the good stuff. All right, we always bring you the best stuff. All right, yeah. Today we got a little treat here. Okay, we're gonna be using candy. We're gonna be using Jolly Rancher and Lifesaver's hard candy, 5 different flavors. Okay, I have a silicone mold here. All right, I already started making some. I'm gonna give you a close-up shot of it. All right, what I'm doing here is that I'm making for adults. It's gonna be shot glasses, but flavored shot glasses for your favorite type of spirit. And for the kids, you can actually in midway get this little sticks, and when they start to melt, you can insert the stick into it and make one big giant Lifesaver or Jolly Rancher lollipop. All right, but I will show you a close-up of it that you understand what I'm talking about. All right, you see in here, this makes the cup. It makes little shot glasses. All right, flavored shot glasses. So without further ado, let me get to start making it and show you how it's done. Give me 1 second, please. There we go. And here we go. All right, so now it's set up. So it's a very simple process. And also that I did preheat the oven to 500 degrees. Okay, and the only things that you can mix and match the flavors, especially with Lifesavers. It's so good when you mix and match. Put like 4 or 5 in your mouth. Oh, the flavor's so good. All right, so basically all it is that you're taking one, putting it all the way at the bottom. It's the same thing with the Jolly Ranchers. As you see, I'm using different flavors. And this is all it is. I'm not going to make the whole thing here. I'm going to probably miss 2. Because that's a little bit too much. That one's broken there. I have to save that for the end. And just keep filling it up. Okay, make sure they're all the way at the bottom. All right. And just keep alternating the colors. Right here. Doesn't take long to do it all. Okay, one here. Now, start building up the top. Yeah. Get red. Get red. Get orange. See, I put one in the middle there. I'm gonna put a couple in the middle actually. Maybe 2 or 3 in the middle. Right. And just put another red. Can't go wrong with red. All right, and I also lined a cookie sheet with parchment paper because if it does overflow, which I'm sure it's not, but if it does, it doesn't stick to the pan and it's very hard to clean. All right. So, and this is all she takes. Now, this candy is going to melt into the shape of a glass. All right. So I'm going to do one more, probably right in this spot here. All right, and I'll be right back. Hey everybody, okay. Let's do a little bit of recap. As you can see, we're doing shot glasses or just straight up glass candy. All right, it's a little novelty that you can, if you're having a little party, you can make a couple of these, put them out, and people can drink out of them. Even you can, if you like flavored water, you can actually put water in these shot glasses, and you have your flavored water, and they last a long time. But you got to keep them in the refrigerator. All right. because you don't want them to keep them out in room temperature because they'll start to get sticky and melt on you. All right, so like I said, Jolly Ranchers hard candy and Lifesavers hard candy, 5 flavors. And this is an assortment of flavors of the Jolly Ranchers. All right, so like I said, I have a parchment paper here with a cookie sheet. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sit it on the parchment paper. All right, and then I'm gonna put it into the oven at 500 degrees. All right, so at 500 degrees. All right, so there we go. And here we go. All right. Close it up. She's at 5. I'm gonna put it on for 20 minutes. And we're going to see how long it's going to take so I can actually give you a time. All right, so once again, I'll be right back with the final product, all right? Hey everybody, welcome back. All right, I had put the stove on for 500 degrees for 20 minutes. You actually only needed about 10 minutes. All right, but I did let it go for about 14 minutes. All right, so I think 10 minutes is the good enough time to melt the candy. All right, as you can see, it did a little burn spots up here, but that's okay. That's okay. But as you can see, it's all melted. All right, now what I have to do now, I have to let this candy, let me move it out of the way because I want to get it off this tray. I want to get it off the tray there. All right. And I want it to come to room temperature. All right, this candy has to harden up. All right, but like I said, it will make a cup. But I did mention before that you can get these silicone molds off Amazon. I got this off Amazon here. You can silicone molds. And they had all different types of shapes, holidays, or whatever you like. They have the molds for it. So when these are finished cooling down, we will unveil them and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about, and you might maybe want to do this one day. Well, welcome back. Let me change some of the rules here. I was going to let them come to room temperature, but no. What I'm going to do with these now, I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. That's what I should have told you. Let them cool off in the refrigerator and they'll harden up real nice. All right, so I'll be right back when they are cool enough to touch. Hey everybody, welcome back with Cooking with Chef Puff. All right, I put them in for maybe a half an hour into the refrigerator and it seems like they hardened up real nice. All right, now all I have to do now is to remove them from the mold, the silicone mold. So here we go. We're going to do the first one here. All it is peeling it back. Peeling it back. And here you go. You got the Jello shot glass. All right. So it's solid all the way through. It will hold liquid, but like I said, you have to keep these in the refrigerator. All right. This is the Jolly Rancher one. All right. Now I'm going to look at the Lifesaver one. All right. And here's the Lifesaver one. Got a couple of different flavors in there, as you can see. And like I said, this can be used for different kinds of spirits, or just water, the flavored water. It's not too sweet. Okay. Here's a pineapple one that's mixed with a little bit of grape. All right. So let me do the rest here. Get them all out. It's still just a little warm, but they're solid. Pretty, real pretty. All right. This one here, mixed with a couple of more different flavors. All right. And the last one, if I can get it out of here, is another one with a couple of other different flavors. All right. So these are the shot glasses, and I hope that you get the silicone mold and try this recipe. It's real simple to do. A little party favors. All right. Oops. Little party favors. All right. And I hope you enjoy. So I'll see you in the next video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. But this is Jolly Rancher Lifesaver shot glasses. Okay. And like I said, you can put a stick when you're cooking them in the middle when it's still soft. And then let it, stick the stick in. And you can make giant lollipops out of it. All right. So that's about it. But subscribe, give me thumbs up, and ring the bell. And I appreciate you watching Cooking with Chef Puff. And have a wonderful day.